Hey everyone, welcome to this quick and beginner friendly introduction to HTML, the foundation of every website on the internet. In this video, we are diving into HTML, short for the Hypertext Markup Language. It's the fundamental language that structures and displays content on the web. Whether you are building your first website or curious how the web works, HTML is where it all begins. Like here are some tags given, like the HTML tag. It's the start and the end of the document, and the heading tag, paragraph tag, beer tag, list tag. We all gonna talk about the tags later. Let's focus on the introduction first. So, what exactly is HTML? It's a standard markup language used to create and design web pages. HTML doesn't add style or logic. Its job is to organize content like text, images, videos, so browsers can display them properly. Like it's a normal text surrounded by brackets, and tags tell browsers how to display the web pages. And it's the file format is like .htm or .html. Like the text file, we use .text, .txt. Uh, that's like we use .html here. There are many editors we use to write HTML files. Like we will be using VS Code in this lecture. The structure of HTML. Now let's look at how HTML is structured. There are three main parts to understand. Elements are the building blocks. Tags tell the browser what type of content it is. Like is it a heading or a paragraph or it is an image. Attributes give extra detail to element, such as setting the image source or adding hyperlink. And here are some common HTML tags. The HTML tag. It is the starting tag of a HTML file. It wraps the entire page. And the head, the head tag is the holds the metadata, meta information about the page. Body tag contains the what user should see. H1 to H6 are the heading elements. P defines the paragraphs. Anchor or A tag is for links. IMG or image tag, it displays images to the web page. Now we're gonna move to the Visual Studio Code for some examples, simple examples. Let's move to Visual Studio. We're gonna be using the Visual Studio Code for this tutorial. We're gonna open a new text file from here, select the language to HTML, and then we need to save the file by pressing Ctrl plus S. For this tutorial, I'm going to open a new folder in my desktop. Opening a new folder and giving it the name of HTML tutorial. Here I'm gonna save the file. HTML. Now we have something like the boilerplate code. We don't need to write from everything from the scratch. The Visual Studio Code has something extra feature that gives us that feature, like if we press the exclamatory mark one time and then press enter, it's gonna give the boilerplate code. It's defined previously, like it's already setting up. We don't need to type everything and write everything all the time. Now this doctime HTML, it defines that it is HTML5 version, and here is the HTML tag with lang attribute. It defines the code will be in English language, and here's the head. Head is the that holds the metadata. It's the meta information here, and here is the body. Here we will write that will show to the web. Let's write something like we're gonna start with the head tag h1. H1 is the head tag, and here we will write welcome. Well, then we're gonna write a paragraph tag like p tag, and it's gonna be, this is my first website. This is my first website. No, it's a web page, so it's gonna be a web page. And then we need to run it. Run it from where? For running the code, we need to install an extension from here called live server, where we can always use the HTML, always run the HTML code. Now this website, our web page is ready to show. Now we're gonna go live from here. Here you can see what does our website see. Here is the heading welcome, and this is the paragraph we have written. This is my first web page. Here, heading welcome and paragraph. Okay. Now let's go back to the. To wrap it up, HTML is essential for every web developer. By learning its structure, elements, and tags, you are building the core skills needed to create real websites. In upcoming videos, we will cover CSS, JavaScript, so you can turn these plain structures into beautiful interactive experience. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Keep coding and see you in the next video. Till then, happy coding.